Ingredients come and ingredients go, and we all know retinol, peptides, ceramides, vitamin C, they're all been around. Retinol for almost 40 years now. And then all of a sudden, one day, something comes along that really stopped me in the tracks. This little ingredient is called methylene blue. When I started reading all the studies, when I was looking at ingredients for Skin Diva Labs, I was like, I went back and back and back because I was like, there's no way it does this. There's no way that it can be that great. And this is what it looks like in the jar. So I was like, there's just no way this ingredient is doing what it says it does. But all the PubMed studies showed that this was what was really happening. Here's the number one thing that makes methylene blue so different than other ingredients. Most ingredients work on the outside of the cells. Methylene blue is able to cross into the cell, so it's getting into the inside of the cell, so it can really significantly make changes. Not by just a little, but by a significant margin. Fact number one is insane. Fact number two is methylene blue doubled the collagen and the elastin in 2 weeks. It takes retinol 8 to 12 weeks to thicken that collagen and elastin. That's why we like the retinol. But methylene blue was doing it in 2 weeks. Even better, it was from 2 to 4 weeks and there was no damage from the outside skin. It was making healthy cells. Healthy cells were making collagen. It was like this fabulous cycle. Now let's go to fact number 3. Whoops. Thicker skin looks younger than thinner skin. So we want ingredients that thicken the skin. That's why retinol and Retin-A has been around for 40 years, because we like the thicker the skin. Guess what methylene blue does? It thickens the skin. They did 3D studies and they measured the skin in their studies and saw that the collagen was measurably different and increased with the application of methylene blue. And for people that are experiencing crepey skin, thickening the skin is very good for the skin, so that it helps with that crepiness and that dehydration of the barrier. Fact number 4 on the methylene blue, let's go find everything we can about it as an ingredient, is that it is a UV blocker, and it really helps with you not absorbing all that sun, and I'm in sunny South Florida, so it helps you with not absorbing the sun. And so there's lots of melanin and you get spots and hyperpigmentation. And when you have that UV blocker with methylene blue, it makes it so that it bounces off the skin. It doesn't necessarily immediately repair old damage, but it will prevent new damage. And fact number 5 is for all of my sensitive girls out there, rosacea people, chemo people, it doesn't matter what touches your skin, it's overly sensitive. You could use methylene blue at any point in time in your journey because it is not causing any sensitivity. And literally in all of the tests that were done, there was little to zero irritation, which hardly ever happens. And you know how Retin-A is, period. The fact that it actually works while you're sleeping, which I probably should have named it just a night mask, but I called it a day-night mask because I have to overanalyze a lot of things. But methylene blue at night really is doing all of those 5 facts that we've talked about. It's repairing the skin, it's helping to thicken the skin, it's rebuilding the collagen, it's protecting you from UV radiation, and it's doing it all without overly sensitizing your skin, which for anybody who's had any sensitivity at all to skincare products or even having internal issues that are going on, like rosacea, that is paramount to having an amazing product to use on a daily basis that can do all of these things without irritating the skin. I've been putting it on my skin for years now. I'm not very good sometimes about the nightly routine. I'll just let you know that. And I'm constantly changing and testing new products, but it is one of my very favorite products as far as sleeping and waking up and feeling like you have dewy skin. So for any of my dull to dewy girls out there, this really is key for helping to rebuild collagen without the retin-A irritation or the retinol irritation. And if you want more information, there's a link down below, or you can comment dewy, D-E-W-Y, and I will send you a link to more information about the methylene blue in our blue velvet night mask. And stay tuned because the research has just started and we are biohacking our youthful faces.